Dig it. Balloons make everything better, don't they? Time to take this show on the road, or rather, the courtyard. First driving lesson in progress. Look at them go, someone's got the right idea, dangling a toy to keep the driver motivated. Genius. They're really getting the hang of this driving thing. Check out that Mercedes-Benz logo, fancy. Round and round they go, balloons bobbing along. Someone's keeping a close eye, making sure the little speedsters stay safe. Now they're pros, navigating the backyard like seasoned drivers. Still